Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. The holiday season came in early with Bobbie Nails, ChicCentre, and Bobbie Cosmetics' recent holiday gift. And it's just so beautiful. I received this big and heavy, intriguing gift. It's an acrylic tiara organizer by Bobbie with all of the brand's products. When I opened it, it literally blew my mind because I didn't expect that it would be this grand and extravagant. Thank you so much, Bobbie Nails, ChicCentre, and Bobbie Cosmetics. Now let's meet the products. We have Bobbie Cosmetics Matte and Pout Liquid Lipsticks. Bobbie Nails Manicure Kit. Bobbie Cosmetics Matte About Hue Lippies. Then we have Bobbie Cosmetics Glam Lips Velvety Matte Collection. Next we have this Bobbie Cosmetics Cheeky Blush Crush Duo. Then we have Bobbie Cosmetics Pro Brow Shaper, Pomade, and Powder. From the first drawer, we have Bobbie Cosmetics Insta Runway Contour Kit. And an angled blush brush. On the second drawer, we have 4 Bobbie Nails Ultra Shine. And on the third drawer, we have 5 Chic nail color. I will post swatches for these nail polishes soon. If you want to shop for these products, I'll be leaving their official Lazada link on the description box below. And don't forget to shop for their products in the upcoming 12/12 sale. You can follow them on Instagram and on Facebook. Once again, thank you so much Bobbie Nails, ChicCentre, and Bobbie Cosmetics for this awesome and gorgeous holiday gift. I'm just loving it so much. It's really so beautiful. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!